Hello everyone. Today let us continue class 8 mathematics chapter 5 data handling, that exercise 5.3. Now in this first question, list the outcomes you can see in these experiments. Here there are two experiments which are given, and here we are testing the probability. And this chapter in this one data handling, the last topic is probability, which we have already discussed the definitions and all, and here we are solving the probability problems. And the experiment is spinning a wheel. First bit, first question. So in this wheel, as you can see here, we have a wheel. Here you have 5 parts of this wheel: A, B, C, D and A. And now here we are going to solve what is the outcome here. This is an experiment which we are going to conduct, that is spinning the wheel, spinning a wheel. And when you spin the wheel, what are the possible outcomes? So when you have 5 sectors here or 5 parts here, but alphabets are same, A. So the repeated alphabet is counted as 1. So there are 4 letters A, B, C, D. Possible outcome is 4. Therefore, the possible outcome is also 4, because any place if this pointer stops, the outcome is, if it stops on B, outcome is 1. So, if A, B, C, D, so different letters we can count as different outcomes. No need to repeat the outcome for A, which is repeated here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters are given, so possible outcome is also 4. Now here we have second experiment, that is tossing 2 coins together. As you know, this is a coin, this is head and this is tail. If you have 2 coins of such thing, then possible outcome is 4. Why? Because we have 4 possibilities. Heads and heads. When you spin 2 coins together, if you spin only one coin, either you get head or tail. But here we have 2 coins. If you toss together, you may get both head. Both. One is head, one is tail. One is tail, one is head, and both tail and tail. That means head, heads, tail, heads, tail and tail. That means you have 4 possibilities which you get when you toss the 2 coins together. Now let us move on to the second question. Now, when a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of getting, first one, a prime number. What is a dice, children? We all know what is a dice. This is a dice. Right? Here you have 1, here you have 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, there are 6 numbers on a die. When you throw a die, you may get any number. But here some possibilities are given, some conditions are given. According to that, we should write the outcome. A prime number. How many numbers are prime in these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3 and 5. So, a prime number is 2, 3 and 5. So, there are 3 prime numbers of getting outcome is possible when you throw a die. And this is second one, not a prime number. So when you throw a die which is not a prime number here, 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. This is prime number. And this is non-prime. 1, 4, 6 is non-prime. So when you throw a dice, you may have a chance of getting a non-prime number, that is 1, 4 and 6. And third one, condition is given, that's why we are writing the digits accordingly. Third, a number greater than 5. In this list, you have only one number which is greater than 5, that is 6. 6, that is greater than 5. Greater than 5. Last one, a number not greater than 5. In this list, the number which is not greater than 5 is all the 5 which are less than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the numbers which are not greater than 5. So here I will repeat it once. A spinning wheel where we have 4 alphabets, so the possible outcome is 4. Tossing the coin, 2 coins together. When you toss 2 coins together, you may have 4 possibilities. That is 4 outcomes. Heads, heads, that is heads, heads, heads and tail and heads, and both tails. Now you have one more thing, that is when a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of getting a prime number. 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Not a prime number, 1, 4 and 6. These are not prime numbers. A number greater than 5, that is 6. Of course, in the list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 6 is greater than 5. A number not greater than 5. A number which is not greater than 5 is less than 5 or equal to 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now let us move on to the third question. Find the A, probability of the pointer stopping on D. So this was the question which we have taken this wheel from first question. And here we have 5 pointers. As you can see, this wheel is parted into 5 parts. That is A, B, C, D. Of course, alphabets are 4, but parts are 5. So there are 5 pointers in this wheel. 4 pointers in a wheel. So probability of the pointer stopping at D. So the total number of pointers are 5, and probability, that is possibility, probability of the pointer stopping at D. Stopping at D. That means when you spin a wheel, what is the total number of outcome you should check first. That is 5, and possibility of D is only 1, because D is only 1. Only once the pointer can stop at D when you spin the wheel. Second one, that is probability of getting an ace from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. So children, all of you know that what is a playing card set. We all play playing card for some fun, and in that we have a set of 52. And each kind of the cards, that is each type, we have 4. So now probability of ace, getting ace. Ace is a kind of card. Getting an ace is equal to 4 by 52. Total number of cards are 52, and in that ace cards are only 4. So this is 1 by 13. 4 ones are 4, 13. 1 by 13 is the probability of getting an ace in a card. Now let us move on to the third one, C1. Probability of getting a red apple. In this group we have 7 apples. Red, green, 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 red, 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 red. So the total number of apples are there are totally how many apples? 7 apples. And how many are red? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 red apples here. So probability is equal to of getting red apple. Red apple is equal to 4 by 7. That is number of red apple divided by total number of apples. So this is the probability of getting red apple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us move on to the fourth question. Numbers 1 to 10 are written on a 10 separate slips. That is 10 separate slips you should take and write numbers all separately 1 to 10. One number on one slip. One on first slip, second on second slip, third on third slip, so on. 10 slips you should take and write 10 numbers. Kept in a box and mixed well. That is kept in a bag and shake box and shake it well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. What is the probability of? So if you take any one, if you pick any one number or one slip out of that, what is the probability of getting the number 6? So out of 10 numbers, getting a number 6 is probability of getting a number 6. A number 6 equal to 1 by 10 because total number of slips are 10. So 10 separate slips is given here. So out of 10 slips, if you get probability of getting a number 6 is only one possibility because only one 6 will be there. So 1 by 10. Getting a number less than 6. So first let me write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 numbers. Numbers which are less than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So probability of getting a number less than 6. Less than 6 we have 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 numbers out of 10. 5 by 10. So this is 5 on the 5 on the, this is 1 by 2. So probability of getting a number less than 6 is 5 by 10 or 1 by 2. Now let us move on to this third part in the same question. Getting a number greater than 6. So greater than 6, here only you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this we have 4 numbers greater than 6. Getting a number greater than 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10 are 4 possibilities. 4 possible outcomes, or we can write 4 possible outcomes. Because we have 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now, getting the one digit number. So, what are the one digit number here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That is 9 by 10. 9 by 10 is the probability of getting the one digit number. Because 10 is a two digit number. It's not a one digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are the 9 numbers which are one digit number. So 9 by 10 is the probability of getting a one digit number. Now let us move on to fifth question. If you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector, what is the probability of getting a green sector? First question in this. What is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? There are 2 parts in this question. First one is, what is the probability of getting a green sector? So here, as you can see, here we have a wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 parts. In this, 3 green, 1 red and 1 blue. Probability of getting green is 1, 2 and 3. So 3 by 5. So this is the probability of getting a green. Probability of getting a green sector is 3 by 5. Because total number of parts of this wheel are 5 and green is 3. And V1 in this is probability of getting a non-blue sector. Non-blue sector. 1 blue if you remove. Non-blue are 1, 2, 3, 4. So probability of getting non-blue sector. Probability of getting non-blue sector is equal to total number of parts of this wheel are 5 and non-blue are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 5 is the probability of getting non-blue sector when you spin a wheel. Now here refer question number 6. Question number 2 already we have done, and here we have to write the probability. Find the probability of this. See, already we have written the numbers. So when you throw a die, there are possibilities of 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this, prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5. So probability of getting the 2, 3 and 5 are 3 by 6. Why? Because total number of numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 numbers when you throw a die of getting possibility you have. Out of that, prime numbers are only 3. So 3 by 6 is the probability. So probability here is 3 by 6. and this is 3 ones are 2 the 1 by 2. Now, not a prime number. Same, when you throw a die, you have possibility of not a prime number 1, 2, 3. In this, 3 are non-prime. That is 1, 4, 6. These are non-prime numbers. So probability of getting non-prime number is also 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. When you simplify it, 3 ones are 3 twos. Now, number greater than 5. Number greater than 5. Only one number you have, that is 6. Number greater than 5. Number greater than 5 is equal to 6. So, probability of getting 6 is only 1, because out of 6 numbers you have 6 as only one number you have 6. Probability, that is chance is only once. Probability is equal to 1 by 6. 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Probability for 6 is 1 by 6. When you throw a die, you may get only once. That is, if you get 6 number, out of total number is 6, and getting 6 is also 1. Only 1 6 you have it. Number not greater than 5. Number which are not greater than 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And probability is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6. So probability of a not greater number than, number not greater than 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 6 numbers, you have the chances of getting 5 numbers. So children, this ends the exercise 5.3. I hope you have understood, and in our next video we will continue with the next part of this, and here ends the chapter data handling. So PDF will be sent, and the questions which are given in the PDF or the number of problems which are solved from the exercise, only that you should write in your classwork, not the rest one. Some similar problems are eliminated from this syllabus. So whatever problems which I have solved on board or which is sent in a PDF, that only you should write in your class. Thank you.